नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन या प्रकरणाच्या या आधीच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण सिक्वेन्स म्हणजे काय, टर्म्स इन सिक्वेन्स अँड अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन्स या सर्व कन्सेप्टचा अभ्यास केलेला आहे। आता याच्या पुढचा भाग आपण इथं पाहतोय, nth टर्म ऑफ एन एपी। अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशनचं शेवटचं पद, nth म्हणजे काय, शेवटचं पद कसं काढायचं ते आपल्याला बघायचं आहे। सो फॉर दॅट आय राईट हिअर वन एक्झाम्पल्स 4, 7, 10, 13, 16 as so on. So that is a sequence. Here 4 is first term, 7 is second term, 10 is third term, 13 is fourth term, 16 is fifth term, as so on. We write here all terms, but we want here some t 15th term, t 50th terms आपल्याला डायरेक्ट 50वा पद पाहिजे। मग प्रत्येक वेळी आपण इथं पुढची टर्म काढू शकतो का? काढण्यासाठी काय करावं लागेल, 4 प्लस सम नंबर्स यू गेट योर 7. So what is the difference between these two numbers? So their difference is 3. So you add every time 3. म्हणजे इथं प्रत्येक वेळी आपण काय करणार आहे, 4 plus 3, इथं 7 plus 3, here 10 plus 3. So every numbers, in every numbers you add 3 years. So in this way you add your sum 16 plus 3, so that is at 19, and where up to goes up to 50. म्हणजे असं ऍड करत करत तुम्हाला 50 पर्यंत जावं लागेल। त्याच्या पुढे जर आपल्याला टर्म पाहिजे असेल ते 100, तर तुम्हाला प्रत्येक वेळी 3 ऍड करत जावं लागेल। म्हणजे ही प्रोसेस कशी आहे, एकदम लेंथी प्रोसेस आहे। मग त्यासाठी काय फॉर्म्युला शोधता येईल का ते आपल्याला पाहायचं आहे। सो व्हॉट इज दिस फॉर्म्युला, लुक हियर। सो फॉर गेटिंग दिस सिम्प्लिसिटी, फॉर आवर सिम्प्लिसिटी इन प्रीवियस व्हिडिओ वी सी हियर how to calculate T1. So that is the first term. T1 means that is the first term, that is A. So as like we write this, that is the first term A. Then T2. In this first term you add common difference, that is A plus D. So that is a T1, T2. Now when we want here so T3. How to calculate in T2? You add here a common difference. So what you get here, sir? T2 means here A plus D. I write here A plus D plus D. So that is A plus 2D. So this is a T3. Look here, so that is a T2. This is here a T3. Again I write here T4 is equal to T3 plus D. Here T3 means what is also A plus 2D. A plus 2D plus this D. So that means A plus 3D. So that is the T4. So as like you calculate all terms. But you observe in this all terms, what is this? This T2 means is equal to here A plus, that is a D, but for that D I write here 1D, so write here 2 minus 1D. What is here 2 minus 1D. Then T3, that is a A plus, that is a 2. For that 2 I write here 3 minus 1. म्हणजे काय करते आपण, जे पद तुम्ही काढणार असाल, T2 काढणार असाल तर 2 minus 1, T3 काढणार असाल तर 3 minus 1. That's way T4 is equal to a plus, what do you write this power 3? That is a 4 minus 1 into d. So as like here it become convert in generalizations. Now in this here is no d, but how do you write t1? T1 is equal to a plus, there is no d, so you write as like so 1 minus 1 d. 1 minus 1, that is 0, 0 into d, 0. So as generalization T1, T2, T3, T4, we find out here sir T50. So what we write here sir? For T50 a plus, for this 50 you write here sir 40, 50 minus 1 you write here sir 50 minus 1 d. Then we will suppose we want here sir T100. What do you write here sir? A plus 100 minus 1 into d. And as generalization, we want here sir any numbers. That means Tn. Any numbers, that is a Tn. So I write here sir a plus n minus 1 d. So as a generalizations, we get this formula, and this formula you call here sir nth term of an AP. What do you call this? Nth term of an AP. As generalization, we get this formula Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 d, and by using this formula we calculate any nth term of an AP. म्हणजे त्या अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन मधलं कोणतंही पद आपण इथं काढू शकतो. आता हे कसं काढायचं? By example we share, but before this you write all this. Now we share some examples. Find Tn for following AP and then find 30th term of AP. So look here sir, in this AP we find out here sir Tn first. What is formula for Tn? So we know this here sir. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So for this Tn we want here first a means first terms, and d common difference. So for that we write here some T1 is equal to 3, T2 is equal to 8, T3 is equal to 13, and T4 is equal to 18. So first we write here so A is equal to first term, that is a 3, and we calculate here so D common difference D. How to calculate? You know this. Any conjugative two terms, you subtract this. So we write here so T2 minus T1. T2 minus T1 is equal to 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3, that is a 5. Now we calculate Tn's. Now Tn is equal to, you write your formula a plus n minus 1 into d. Now put up the values. A means how much? Here's a, that is a 3, plus n minus 1, you write same as it is, and write your value of d. How much d? That is a 5. Now simplify this. 3 plus, in bracket n minus 1, you multiply to this 5 into n, that is a 5n, and minus 1 into 5, that is a minus 5. So you write this 5n, then you subtract 3 minus 5, that is a minus 2. So this is a Tn. This is Tn. Now we want here sir 30th term. That means in this formula you write n is equal to 30. Put n is equal to 30. So what do you get here sir? T30. Look here sir. In this formula you write Tn is equal to 30. So Tn becomes T30 is equal to 5 into 30. Here's 5n. That means 5 into 30 minus 2 is equal to, simplify this, 5 into 30, 5 into 3 that is 15 and this 0 same as it is minus 2 and 150 minus 2 that is a 148. So this is a 30th term of that AP. So as like we saw these examples, we share the next example, but before this you write this example. We share the next different examples. What is which term of the following AP is a 560? Which terms म्हणजे दिलेल्या AP मध्ये कोणतं पद म्हणजे कितवं पद 560 आहे 560 आहे. Which terms? That means nth term is given here. What is given here? Nth terms. So for solving this, you write here first given AP. What is AP here, sir? 2, 11, 20, 29, and so on. Then you find out here first term A is equal to 2 and D. You write here directly T2 minus T1, that means 11 minus 2 is equal to 9. Then 560 that is given here nth term. Nth term that means Tn is equal to 560. So we calculated value of n. म्हणजे 560 हे कितवं पद आहे म्हणजे n ची किंमत आपल्याला इथे काढायची आहे. So we know that here's a formula. What is your Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Now put up the values in this formula. Tn that is a 560. Right here 560. A means here sir that is a 2 plus we don't know your value of n. So write n minus 1 same as it is into D means how many it is? 9. So solve this now. How to solve this? These two same as it is, multiply this 9 to this bracket plus n into 9 that is a 9n and minus 1 into 9 that is a minus 9 is equal to, I write this 9n same as it is and 2 minus 9 that is a minus 7 and this 560 same as it is. For getting value of 9n, this minus 7 goes on this side become plus, so 560 plus 7. What do you get here? So 560 plus 7 that is a 567 is equal to 9n. Now we want your value of n. So 567 take this 9 on this side becomes divides is equal to n. So what is the division of this 567 upon 9? So how much it is? Look here, 567 9s, 9 6 54, 56 minus 54 that is a 2, take this 7 and 9 3 that is a 27. So you get a value 63. So 63 is equal to n, therefore n is equal to 63. So we calculate value of n, but n means that is a which term of the AP. Therefore 63rd term of an AP is 560. So as like we see here second example, you write this, then we share next example. We share the next example. How many 2-digit numbers are divisible by 4? How many 2-digit numbers are divisible by 4? म्हणजे 4 न भाग जाणाऱ्या संख्या किती आहेत ते आपल्याला शोधायचं आहे. How many it is? So you first make your list of which numbers divisible by 4. म्हणजे 4 न भाग जाणाऱ्या संख्या कोणत्या आहेत त्याची सुरुवात करू. So in that first there is a 2-digit number that is a 10. But 10 it is not divisible by 4. So first number is after 10, 11, 12. Look here some. 10 that is the first 2-digit numbers. म्हणजे पहिली 2 अंकी संख्या किती आहे? 10 आहे. आणि शेवटची लास्ट 10-digit numbers 99. So we find out here first 2-digit numbers which are divisible by 4. So here first 2-digit number is 10, but it is not divisible by 4. 10 after there is 11s. It is also not divisible by 4. So which are the first number? So that is the 12. So 12, that is the first number. 12 is here the first number. So I write here the T1. And then 12 after we write here some by adding 4s, that is 16, 20 and so on. Before 99s, which numbers divisible by 4s? 99 चा विचार केला तर it is not divisible by 4s. Then before this number, that is 98, it is also not divisible by 4s. Then 97s, it is also not divisible by 4s. And then previous, that is the numbers 96, it is a divisible by 4s. So that is the last numbers Tn. And we find out here, so from 12 to 96 how many these numbers, म्हणजे ह्या संख्या किती आहेत, म्हणजे 4 न भाग जाणाऱ्या 2 अंकी संख्या किती आहेत ते काढण्यासाठी आपण काय केलं, 2 अंकी संख्या कुठून कुठे आहेत, 10 पासून 99 पर्यंत आहेत. मग त्याच्यातील पहिली संख्या 4 न भाग जाणारी 12 आहे आणि शेवटची 96 आहे. सो वी गेट हियर AP. We get here AP. Right here AP is equal to first number is, that is 12, then 16, then 20 as so on. We get here last number, that is 96. And from this we solve here how many 2 digits, that means value of n's we calculate here. So that is 12, it is value of A, that means 12, and D is here 16 minus 12, I write here 16 minus 12, that is 4. And this 96, that means Tn is equal to 96. And we find out here the value of n. So we use your formula, we know here some Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So put up the values. A means that is 12 plus n minus 1. We find out here value of n, and this is a D, value of D, that means 4. Solve this. 12 plus 4 into n, that is a 4n. 4 into minus 1, that is minus 4. So 12 minus 4, that is a 8 plus 4n. In this left side, Tn is there 96. So right here 96, 96, 96. Now solve this. This 8 take on this side. It becomes 96 minus 8 is equal to 4n. So 96 minus 8, how much it is? It is 88. How many it is? 88 is equal to 4n. Then n is equal to, how much it is? 88. This 4 here multiple take on this side become divides. So 88 upon 4, that is how much it is? 88 upon 4, that is 22. So n is equal to 22. Therefore, there are 22 t-digit numbers which are divisible by 4. Therefore, there are 22 2-digit numbers divisible by 4. So as like we share one more example for arithmetic progression, how to calculate how many terms in given AP. We share one more example, but before this you write this example. We share next example. The 10th term and 18th term of an AP are 25 and 41 respectively. So in this example they are given 10th term and 18th term, म्हणजे 10th आणि 18th पद तुम्हाला दिले. 10th term is 25, 18th term is 41 respectively. Then find 38th term. How many? 38. म्हणजे 10वं पद आणि 18वं पद दिले, त्याच्यावरून तुम्हाला काय करायचं, 38th टर्म काढायचं आहे. सिमिलरली इफ nth टर्म इज 99, त्याच पद्धतीनं जर nth टर्म 99 असेल तर ते कितवं आहे, म्हणजे फाइंड द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ n. सो देअर आर 2 एक्झाम्पल इन दिस 1 एक्झाम्पल. एकाच उदाहरणामध्ये तुम्हाला 2 उदाहरणं दिलेली आहेत. सो वी सॉल्व हियर. लुक हियर. फर्स्ट यू राइट हियर गिवन पार्ट. What is given here, sir? 10th, that means T10 is equal to how many? It is 25. And T18, it is 41. And you find out your first 38th term. आपण पहिला भाग इथे घेऊ. 38th term, that means T38 we calculate here in this first. So what we do first here, sir? So there is given T10, T18 and ask there is a T38. So we know here's a formula Tns. By using this, by using Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. What of the value for T25? So I write here some T10 is equal to A plus value of n means that is a value of n, that is a 10. So I write here some 10 minus 1 into D. Then T10 it is how much, 25 is equal to A plus 10 minus 1, that is a 9D. So change the sides. A plus 9D is equal to 25. So this is the equation number 1. Similarly, for the T18s, what is this T18s? I write here directly. T18 is equal to A plus n means here's value of n is that is 18 minus 1 into D. So T18 means here how many? It is a 41 is equal to A plus 18 minus 1 into D, that is a 17D. Here also change the sides. A plus 17D is equal to 41. This is equation number 2. By observing these two equations are simultaneous equations in the variable A and D. So you solve these two equations. Here A coefficient is same. So subtract this equation 1 from 2. So I write here, so subtract equation 1 from 2. A plus 17D is equal to 41 minus A plus 9D is equal to 25. Solve this. A minus A. For subtraction, change the sides. Here minus, here minus, here minus. So A minus A, that is a 0. Plus 17 minus 9D. So how many it is? 8D is equal to 41 minus 25. 41 minus 25, that is a 16. So 8D is equal to 16. Therefore D is equal to 16 upon 8. I write here directly. D is equal to 2. So we get here value of D. Now put this value D in equation. Any equation 1 or 2. I write here. Put D is equal to 2 in equation 1. So write equation 1. A plus 9 into 2 is equal to 25. म्हणजे आपण इथं D ची किंमत 2 ठेवली. So A plus 9 into 2, that is 18 is equal to 25. Therefore A is equal to, take this 18 on that side become minus. So 25 minus 18. So A is equal to here some 25 minus 18. How much it is? That is a 7. So we get a value 7. We calculate here value of D value of A. Now we find out here's a 38th term. So we apply this formula again. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. What are the values here, sir? T38 is equal to A means value is a 7 plus here value of n, that is a 38 minus 1 into value of D, that is a 2. So we write here, sir, again T38 is equal to 7 plus 38 minus 1, that is a 37 into this 2, same as it is equal to 7 plus 37 into 2, how many it is? 74, and 7 plus 74, so it is a 81. So T38 term is here, sir, 81. Now that is the first example in these examples. Now there are second. Similarly, if nth terms is 99, then find the value of n. Now second example in this, आपण इथे काय केलं, T38 ची किंमत काढली, म्हणजे 38व पद किती आहे ते काढलं. त्याच्यानंतर तुम्हाला काय करायचं आहे, दुसरं एक्झाम्पल त्यातलं, इफ nth टर्म इज 99, Tn is 99. If Tn is 99, find n is equal to how much? So again you apply this formula. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So for that here Tn is equal to 99. A means here, so we calculate value 7 plus n minus 1, that is a same as it is, into D, this is a 2, we calculate here. Now solve this. 7 plus 2 into n is 2n minus 1 into 2, that is a minus 2, is equal to 7 minus 2, that is a 5 plus 2n. This 99 same as it is. Now take this 5 on this side, it becomes, right here, so 99, take this 5 on that side, becomes minus 5 is equal to 2n. Then 99 minus 5, you know here, so 94 is equal to 2n. And when you take this 2 on this side, it divides 94 upon 2. So I write here directly n is equal to 94 upon 2 is equal to, how many it is? 47. So here we get value of n, that is a 47. So all over in this example, we calculate two values. First, 38 terms. This is a, so these one examples, these one answers, and second here, so n is equal to 47. That means 99 is 47 terms in this AP. Alright, in short, therefore in this AP, 38th term is 81 and 99 is 47th term. So as like we share how to solve examples depending on this nth term of an AP. By using this you solve your practice set 3.2. आजच्या या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण nth term of an AP म्हणजे दिलेल्या अंकगणित श्रेणीचं nth टर्म कसं काढायचं ते पाहिलं आणि त्याच्यावर आधारित एक्झाम्पल्स पाहिलेच. आपण पुन्हा भेटतोय पुढच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये याच्या पुढील भाग घेऊन, पण तोपर्यंत तुम्ही सर्वांनी प्रॅक्टिस सेट 3.2 सोडवा. सर्वांना धन्यवाद. बाय बाय. सी यू वन्स अगेन. बट डोंट फॉरगेट, पण विसरू नका की या व्हिडिओला तुम्ही काय करायचं आहे, लाईक, शेअर अँड सबस्क्राईब. धन्यवाद.